Hello everyone, welcome back to BP tutorials. Today we came up with an interesting video that is on how to calculate LCM and HCF using MS Excel. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out our playlist, you will find all the information on trainers, team leaders, quality analyst, Six Sigma certification, operation manager, MS Excel reports, dashboards. Recently we have prepared amazing dashboard on CSAT also, Scrum Master, project management, people management. Many more videos are there, guys. Don't miss to subscribe our channel. Let's start today's concept, that is on LCM and HCF. Before moving to the Excel, let's go with some basic calculation. So if you have seen in your school days, you have calculated LCM and HCF. The calculation is really easy. So we have to calculate LCM for 24 and 36. In order to do that, we will do this basic calculation and we will multiply this, right? So what we have done, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So we'll multiply everything, so we'll get the answer that is an LCM, right? Now for HCF, which is also known as highest common factor or GCD. Okay, to do that, what we will do, we will just 24 then 36 2, then we will just make it half, then like this. In this way the HCF will be calculated as 2 into 2 into 3, so we'll get a 12. So let's understand how we can get this with the help of MS Excel. The formula is simple. For LCM we will use the formula known as LCM, bracket open, and you have to choose both the cells and bracket close. If you do that, you will got the answer. So this is the LCM, right? We got directly as in 72. No need to do all this manual calculation. Now let's calculate HCF. Okay, how we can calculate the HCF? So for HCF we have to use the formula called GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay, divisor. So let's just check this and bracket close. So we got the 12. So these numbers are matching, 70 12 72 12. In this way we can calculate LCM and HCF using MS Excel. For LCM we will use LCM formula equal to LCM, and for HCF we will use equal to GCD. Still have any doubt, let me know guys in a feedback session. I will try to help you out. If you like the video, please share, subscribe the channel. Have a great day.